This mini tutorial will guide you through the minting process on Artano. I will be using Nami wallet to mint an NFT. Make sure you have at least 6 ADA per NFT you want to mint to complete the minting and the listing process. We plan to integrate other Cardano wallets as well, but until then the process of minting and listing, withdrawing from sale, and all other actions is much simpler with Nami. So you want to have your Nami visible here in the extensions. You can just, unpin it, which is the default, but you want to pin it so that it's visible here. Okay, so the first step that you have to do is go to Marketplace and give it a moment to load. Let's see if I'm logged in. If you're not logged in, make sure to log in first, and then go to My Profile. Okay, now you're on your profile page, and here you want to click on Mint a New NFT. This will bring the minting window up, and the first field is where you write the name of your NFT. So I can say the name of my NFT is Welcome. The second field is where you create a collection token, which among other things defines a royalty fee that will be applicable even if a collector would like to sell your NFT on another marketplace on the Cardano blockchain. You would still receive your royalty fee. So you want to add a new collection because you have to make the collection token and you haven't minted before. So type in the collection name, and I can call it, let's make it simple, new collection. The default royalty address is where you want your royalty fee to go, and I'm going to click on my Nami wallet, click on receive, and then click on this little icon to copy your address. So copy the address, paste it as the default royalty address, and type in a percentage. Let's say I would like to receive 5%. And now we save this, and you have to pay for the creation of the collection token. So click on pay, give it a second to load. Okay, this brings up your Nami, and now you have to sign the transaction, and you enter your spending password. Okay, so the transfer has been successful. It might take some time for the token to be minted, so don't be scared, and you can always leave this window. So you can exit the window and you can go back. The collection token, when it's minted, you can come back in 5 or 10 minutes and then continue with the process. Okay, now it's been 5 to 10 minutes and my collection token has probably already been minted. So let's click on Mint a New NFT. I want to make my Welcome NFT, and I would like to select the collection that I already created. So this is the new collection. Now in the next field, you can add a description to your NFT that will appear on the page of that individual NFT. This is a Welcome NFT. Okay, now the next step is to upload your file with size up to 100 megabytes. If you're uploading a video or a larger file than 4 megabytes, please use Firefox or Safari instead of Chrome. So first upload a thumbnail, a JPEG or a PNG extension, then upload your video. That video thumbnail will be displayed in wallets and on websites like PoolPM. So let's upload our file. Okay, minting tutorial, here's my file. Okay, that's the welcome file. The next field is for the receiver address. This is the address where you'd like to receive your NFT once it's minted. Click on Fetch from Nami, and the address will appear in the field automatically. So let's do that. And there it is. You can also mint editions of your NFT, so if you'd like to mint multiple editions, type in the number of editions you'd like to mint. For now, the maximum number of editions is 30, but we can expand that going later. So I wouldn't like to have any additions. I would like this to be a 1 of 1, and I am going to click on next. Okay, now the next step is to define the royalty percentage on the NFT level. You can keep it the same as the royalty on the collection token that we minted earlier, which was 5%, or you can change it for the individual NFT that you're minting. But for the sake of simplicity, I will keep my royalty fee the same as on the collection token. The way that you can change it is if you uncheck this box, you select a different wallet address and a different percentage, and it will apply to this single NFT. But I don't really want to do that, so I'm going to use the same wallet address and the same percentage that I defined earlier, and I'm going to click on next. Now the following step is where you can add some additional information about your NFT. That's depending on what you're minting. So here I can type in welcome, press enter, Artano, press enter, artist, press enter. Now the attribute key and the attribute value is where you can add some additional metadata. For example, if you would like to add a link to your copyright, you can call your attribute key copyright, and then you add an attribute value, something to it. But if you don't want to do that, that's okay as well. This is again optional. So here you consent to the terms and conditions. You confirm that you have the full ownership and copyright to mint this NFT, and you click on next. Okay, so now is the time to pay for the minting of your NFT, and I would like to click on here, pay with Nami, to make this process super simple. And again, I would like to confirm this, so sign, and I need to confirm it with my spending password. Okay, confirm. So the transfer has been successful. Then you have to wait a bit. You can go to your profile and the NFT will show in your profile under created. So you can exit this. That's the current status, it's pending, but you can always exit the window, and you go on your profile under created, and it should show up there. You can see, okay, now its status is draft. These two have been minted already, and this one's going to be minted soon as well, depending on what the current congestion of the blockchain is. But that's it for the minting process. Hope it was simple.